Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. In our last session, we are discussing about the conjunctions. Now, today, children, in our last session, I have explained you what is a conjunction and how to identify the conjunction in a given sentence. Today, we will learn, children, joining of words with end. First, joining the sentences with end. Join the sentences with end by using end. Now today we are going to discuss how to join the sentences. See, children, first sentence they gave, came Arun came to my house. Arun came to my house. One sentence. And another sentence they gave, Anil came to my house. Anil came to my house. Here if you observe, children, the two sentences are same. Only the two words are different. Here we have to join by using both came to the one house only. So Arun and Anil came to my house. Arun and Anil came to my house. Arun and Anil came to my house. Coming to the second question, children. She can read English. She can read English. And the second sentence, she can write English. She can write English. Here she can do both with the English, read and write. So what we can write here, children? She can read and write English. What we can write? She can read and write English. She can read and write English. Okay. In this way, children, we have to join the sentences, given sentences with end. Third one they gave, Misha is young. Misha is young. Misha is beautiful. Two sentences they gave. Both Misha is beautiful. Here we can join the given two sentences by using and. Misha is young and beautiful. Here we can write, children, Misha is young and beautiful. Misha is young and beautiful. So in this way we can join the sentences by using and. Now let us discuss one more sentence with the end. Let us join one more sentence with the end, children. Fourth one, let us write, Anita is intelligent. Anita is hardworking. Fourth one, Anita is intelligent. And the second sentence they gave, Anita is hardworking. Anita is hardworking. Here both the sentences we have to join with the end. So what we can write here, Anita is intelligent and hardworking. Anita is intelligent and hardworking. Anita is intelligent and hardworking. Okay. Coming to the next statement, Nana. The carpenter makes tables. He makes chairs. The carpenter makes tables. He makes chairs. Okay. Let us write the fifth one. The carpenter makes tables. He makes chairs. He makes chairs. Okay, here we have to write, children. The carpenter makes tables and chairs. What we can write, Nana? The carpenter makes tables and chairs. The carpenter makes tables and chairs. Okay, here I have joined the sentences with end. By using end, I have joined the given sentences. Next, children, let us discuss how to join the sentences with not only but also. Compound conjunction. Not only but also. Join the sentences with not only but also. Okay, let us discuss with not only but also. Join the sentences with not only but also. First sentence they gave. She is tall, she is beautiful. She is tall, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. Here we can join. She is not only tall but also beautiful. She is not only tall but also beautiful. She is not only tall but also beautiful. Okay, coming to the second one, Nana. Richa is tired, Richa is hungry. Richa is tired, Richa is hungry. Richa is hungry. Okay, this is the sentence given to you, children. Richa is tired, Richa is hungry. Here we have to join the two sentences with. Here we have to join the given two sentences with not only but also. Richa is not only tired. Richa is not only tired but also hungry. Okay, coming to the next one, and Abdul is mischievous. Abdul is mischievous. Two sentences. Mischievous. He is cruel. So cruel. Here we can write Abdul is not only mischievous but also cruel. Abdul is not only mischievous but also cruel. Abdul is not only mischievous but also cruel. So in this way, children, today we have learnt the two conjunctions, how to join the sentences by using these two conjunctions. In our next session, children, we will discuss few more conjunctions, the use of few more conjunctions, how to join the sentences by using those conjunctions. Have a nice day, all of you.